Oh, perfect, we're live. Happy Friday, guys. It's Dr. Joe here. I just wanted to share with you all something that's been on my mind lately. A lot of people have been coming into the office and have basically been saying, oh my gosh, you'd never believe what I did this weekend. Totally threw myself out of whack. You know, whether it's always spring cleaning related. Lately, people have been mulching, gardening, packing, lifting up boxes, unpacking other boxes, and it's because you spend the whole winter time basically in hibernation, and then you come out in the springtime, you're like, all right, let's get everything done, and all of a sudden, your body's just not prepared for it, and then you end up in the chiropractor's office. So I wanted to throw a little kind of tips and tricks out there for all of you that are probably going to be hitting the ground running this weekend. I know it's going to be beautiful here in right outside Atlanta, Georgia. So if it is where you are and you're planning on getting some spring cleaning done, make sure you do so safely. If you're bending over to pick up anything or put down anything, bend at the knees and hips, not just over at the back. Okay. One thing I talk to a lot of people about is the fact that they come in and they're saying, oh, I was fine, I've never had a back problem or whatever, and then I bent down to pick up a pencil, and then my back threw out. And it's not about the pencil that threw the back out. Like the spine and all those structures, the bones, ligaments, tendons, the neural tissue is extremely strong, very powerful, and can withstand a lot of forces. So bending over to pick up a pencil is not going to be kind of like that underlying cause. That underlying cause for that weakness was there a lot longer than before just picking up that pencil. So what we do at the office is to make sure that you don't have any kind of underlying weaknesses. Everything is in alignment already. If you're out of alignment and you bend down to pick up a pencil, little things like that can throw you right out. So that's why we like to do. That's why we like to make a thorough evaluation, make sure your spine is extremely stable, and basically not as 100%, but 100% of what you have the potential to be. So a few other kind of tricks for that I've been telling a lot of people is just like, hey, if you got a lot of yard work to do, get a grandson to do it. That's what my grandmother always tells me. So, anyways, enjoy, guys, and I will talk to you at the next video. Stay safe this weekend, and we'll talk next week.